told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Alright folks, how's it going? So,
So,
another day, just only after a fish here, so the clip will be before the intro. We're back down here again. Water's roughly about 60-70 centimetres high, so it is. So there was a good rain last night, so it basically rained all night last night, so it did, and I brought the fish and everything up. Another wee one. This one has red spots on it, which is a trout, and then the one that I'm only after catching there the last time was a dolly, isn't it? So a dolly again. I'll fill you in more details later. So alright folks, I'll be back again whenever I catch. At least I'm catching, and I'm not standing at the beach fishing all day and catching nothing. Back again folks, tight lines. How's it going? So just done another day at it folks. Caught about 3 or 4 and I've lost one, so I have the water quite brown today, so up around here, up around there, fish come out of there, come down around that corner, see while I'm down there. Just a couple of other wee trout and my brother and his dad's caught, like, so hopefully get the bigger fish soon. Be nice. So just standing here with my brother's dad. He's going to tell you a little about the water and what you catch in here and stuff like that. So you might not want to be in the shop, but I can work around that. So Greg, quick question. What sort of fish do you get in this river?
You get trout and you get eels and you get dolligan come from Loch Ness, and you get salmon. And then at Newbridge there you get roots and perch and pike and stuff then at Newbridge.
So for all you maybe from Northern Ireland that likes to fish for perch, dolligan, trout, salmon, all that, there's your advice. And how does this river get filled?
It starts way up the other side of Drippers Town. We drains come into the river, and that's how it gets way up.
That's good to know. So it is. Well folks, you have it. That's what you can catch in these rivers, and it gives you a few ideas where to catch perch and everything as well. So if you're from Northern Ireland and you like to river fish, make sure to get yourself a day ticket. If you want a day ticket, you can go to look it up online, Meola. Great wee trout, folks. Let's get a wee release. Well, how's it going folks? Nothing happening. Going all quiet. So it has. Gone all quiet. We went through nearly 6 boxes of worms there today. So we have plenty of fish there today, so there was, so it's not too bad. Nothing more happening. All the fish, guys, that have been caught will be put in the.
Alright folks, I'm just sitting here editing this here video, so there's going to be a clip with a bit of writing in the top left hand side corner. Just ignore that. Unfortunately my computer crashed earlier and I was able to export the video, but It won't let me go back and take the text out, so I'm just doing a wee voiceover here to let you know that there isn't 3 separate videos, there's only going to be 2, and that is day 1 on its own, and day 2 and 3 are in a video together. If you haven't already, folks, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you, folks. Cheers.
Be based on river fishing and sea fishing. So yeah, there'll be days where I might catch fish and there'll be days where I might not catch anything. So it's what happens whenever you fish. So there's different places are different. So they are. Like over in England, boys could maybe stand and fish 2 hours and catch maybe 20 fish. But over here, it's hard to get fish as well. Unless you're fishing this, of course. But yeah, folks, as I say, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below and I'll try and answer them as quick as I can and as good as I can. Alright, if there's any more fish, I'll turn the camera back on. Alright folks, that's us for the day. I think it's calmed down a bit there, so it has, and no more bites. So like I say guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. Might be a bit of wind, so hopefully the audio turns out grand. Until next time guys, tight lines.
Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
So I think we've had 1 fish each at the minute, haven't we? 1 fish each. We trout, just. So I'll be back whenever there's a few fish in the line. Good fish, dolly. Let's see if we can get a wee return. Don't even dare. Good wee fish there, folks.
Not there. I don't know where the 60% of them went to anyway.
Try and get a release. Oh, that's it. That's it, boy. Alright folks, so caught a good dolly, so I think it was maybe the last clip, it's one of these clips, and whenever I went to release it, the camera went on to photograph mode, so unfortunately there isn't a release. I wanted to take a camping stove to the rocks or to the beach so I can fry up some food and stuff. Have a catch and cook maybe. And there's a fish on here, folks. Let's see if we can get a preview, or not a preview, someone netting it. Look at that. Not me, it caught that, folks, unfortunately. So, yeah, fish seem to be ticking alright. These fish, believe it or not, folks, are, you probably see maybe in one of my clips, that it wiggles like, you know, wiggles crazy. If you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions of what I should do next for the channel, maybe I could pop the channel right up. Drop it in the comments below. Drop in the comments what you would like to see. If you want to see me fish the beach and catch fish, well, I'll try, because the beach is longer than this river, so, and it's a lot farther out. But yeah, I'll be back, folks, again. Sorry if there's a whole pile of wind in the videos. I try my best, you know, to fix that, and also do. Alright, you see the bank is literally, it's not even that far, folks. From here's just about 3 feet, not even. It's more sloped, but that air's slippy. See that brown stuff there, folks? That's all slippy. So but that's what we're fishing today. Fishing again, river. Like bit of dark cloud and everything. Sun's away over that. I think that's, I don't even know. Don't even ask me what, if that's southwest or what. Up behind us, we're sort of wind blocked by the back, but the wind's coming towards us, you know. So that's the conditions, folks. Just a wee bit of a current there. Alright, folks. So just thought I was in a snag. The size of that fish. So that's it there, folks. Great size.
That's a cock
Lovely
fish.
fish. Just after one there, folks. So, aye, good wee size. Just released him there, by the way. So he's free. Put him inside the net. So I did. And made sure, you know, he wasn't on his belly or anything. So he's way back in there for an hour. This might be a bit of a short fishing day kind of thing. Well, I've been fishing for hours, but the video might be a bit short on it. I haven't really took many clips a day. About 3 or 4 dollick and a couple of wee trout. Same with the other two. A couple of trout dollicking. But if I catch anything more, folks, I'll be back. Alright, folks, that's us for the day. All packed up, ready to go. So aye, great wee days fishing. Most of the fish will be in the video, and if not, it's because it's either was too tiny or too far away to grab the camera. But if you haven't already, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's try and reach 5 likes, so we'll try that for a change. And hopefully there's another day's fishing. Until then, tight lines, folks.